What is up, guys? My name's Russelllcar. I'm a broke high school student, but I have a V6 S197. And today we are going to be cleaning my transmission. I just got, because the gear is shifting, but it's getting there. We're gonna. It takes time. Rome wasn't built overnight, but we're gonna open the garage, let some air in, and we're gonna start cleaning out this garage. But yeah. Oh, trying to do this with one hand sucks. There we go. Ooh, see? It's back in there, so let's clean it up. Okay, so I just sprayed it with some soap and water. Gonna take this old towel and clean it. It's not gonna like shine it. It's gonna get like all this crud and shit off of it. Make it somewhat decent to put it back into the car. So I'm gonna do that a bunch of times and then I'll show you where I got to. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for the video. I didn't use these, I used the microfiber towel. This is what I used to clean up that. But, and I just slapped my paint. Oh shit. But yeah, we worked on cleaning up the paint a little more. It's a black car, so it needs to be worked on a lot. And then we just cleaned this up. Sorry for the short video. Not really much going on. Got the towels all dirty, but yeah, it's gonna do it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and all that stuff. And I don't know how to end it, so I'm just gonna end it. Bye.